Artificial intelligence is everywhere from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. Many people believe AI will replace humans, but that's a misunderstanding. AI is powerful, but the human brain operates on a completely different level. The human brain is conscious, it is aware of itself and its surroundings. AI does not understand what it is doing. AI processes information humans experience thoughts. AI creates by analyzing existing data. Humans create from imagination. AI remixes patterns. Humans invent new ones. True creativity cannot be programmed. Humans feel empathy, fear, motivation, morality. AI can recognize emotions, but it cannot feel them. This is why AI cannot replace leaders, judges, psychologists. Humans understand context naturally. Example, a crying child doesn't need data, it needs care. AI struggles with cultural understanding, real-world intuition, moral judgment. If you enjoy science and engineering, explain simply like, subscribe.